Now I have opened my app and it will speak the
Hello, this
text
is
we have
Siblings
write
Diary.
in the code.
Please ask me something to open it and Wikipedia, and don't forget to subscribe Siblings Diary.
Harry Potter wiki. So you can see it is showing the Wikipedia, and also here is zoom in or zoom out button.
Friends, this is Amish and we're watching Siblings Diary. So, this is the part 2 of the basic Search LE AI app. So, we're going to do block coding. So, let's get started. Go in blocks and go in screen 1 and drag screen 1 from screen 1 from the screen 1 drag when screen 1 dot analyze, and from text to speech drag this, and from text drag this, and you can write the text you want that your robot says. So you can write anything. So after writing that text, go in text to speech and drag when text to speech dot after speaking, and go in web viewer and drag web viewer home URL, this one, and go in text and drag this to the screen, and I have provided a link in the description, so copy that URL and paste it here. Now after this, go in button 1 and select when button 1 dot click, and this button 1 is this ask me button. So go in this speech recognizer and drag call speech recognizer dot get text. Now drag when speech recognizer dot after getting text. Now from the SC speech recognizer 1, I have dragged when recognizer 1 dot after getting text. Now go in control and drag this. Now from text drag contains text and in piece, this one, and paste it in the above, and from variables, not from variables, from here drag this get result, and from text drag this. In this type the text as wiki. So wiki here is showing Wikipedia, and make the W of wiki capital. Now go in procedure, not in procedures, in web viewer and drag call web viewer go to URL go to URL and URL this, and paste it in the then one, and then go in text and drag this join, and from now copy this and paste to the screen and change the text to the link of Wikipedia. So the link of Wikipedia will be in the description. So now copy that link of the Wikipedia and paste here and join in the above one, and then go in list, and you have to drag, select list item dot list and index this one and paste it here, and then go in text and drag. There will be something split text at, so this one, and paste it in the above, not in the down, and then from then here and do this, paste it in the above, and then copy this wiki and paste. So today we are going to only open Wikipedia. Through this code, you can add more of them search engines. So I will tell you how to do, but I will not tell you. But I will also tell you the process. So then go here and drag this and rename it to the one. Now, if you want, it is for now a code for Wikipedia is done. If you want to do for more, then you have to go in this this setting like option and click on it. Now you can see a else if option. Drag to the here and one label is here, and now you have to copy this one code and paste it here, and if you want Google, then rename it to here and then copy this and whole code, and here paste the Google code, and in the here write Google. So other will be other remain same. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Keep watching Siblings Diary. Thank
Now I have opened my app and it will speak
Hello,
the text
this is
we have
Siblings
write
Diary.
in the code.
Please ask me something to open it and Wikipedia, and don't forget to subscribe Siblings Diary.
Harry Potter wiki. So you can see it is showing the Wikipedia, and also here is zoom in or zoom out button. So thank you, keep watching.